I've been wearing my Dexcom G6 for about 3 months now and just got a notification to replace my sensor and transmitter. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your transmitter. The transmitter battery is good for up to 3 months. Starting at 3 weeks before the end of its battery life, the warnings count down the transmitter battery life until it has only 10 days, 1 sensor session left. If the transmitter battery has 10 days or less remaining, you won't be able to start a new session. To replace your Dexcom G6 transmitter, follow these steps. The first thing you need to do is remove your sensor and transmitter. Grab the edge of the adhesive patch, peel the adhesive and the transmitter up and away from your body like a bandage. Now remove the transmitter from the holder. To remove the transmitter, push down the lip and break the wide end of the transmitter holder. Pull the transmitter out of the holder. Dispose of your transmitter. Next, you need to enter your new transmitter serial number. The serial number is on the back of your transmitter box. You can either take a photo of the transmitter serial number or enter it manually. I will do this by taking a photo. Next, you will need to enter a new sensor code. Each code is specific to that sensor. Grab a new sensor and enter the code. You can either take a photo of the code or enter it manually. I will enter the code manually. Now you need to insert your sensor and attach your transmitter. Remember, you need to insert the same sensor as the sensor code you just entered. First, wash and dry your hands. Choose a site to insert your sensor. Clean the site with rubbing alcohol and let it dry. Choose a site that's at least 3 inches away from your insulin pump infusion set or injection site. Avoid bony areas like ribs and hip bones and areas with scarring, tattoos, hair, or irritation. Also, you don't want to use the same sensor site 2 times in a row. Remove both labels, do not touch the adhesive. Place the applicator on your skin. Fold and break off the safety guard. Press the button to insert the sensor. Remove applicator. You've successfully inserted your sensor. Now it's time to attach your transmitter. Clean your transmitter with an alcohol wipe and let it dry. Insert the transmitter tab into the slot. Snap the transmitter firmly into place. Rub around the patch 3 times. Once your transmitter is attached, you can swim, bathe, and shower like normal. You have successfully inserted your sensor and attached your transmitter. Back on the app, tap Next and then Yes on the screen, asking if you have inserted your sensor and attached your transmitter. Now it is time to pair your new transmitter and start your new sensor. Wait for your transmitter to pair and tap Pair. Then tap the Start Sensor button. Now your sensor warm-up has begun, and the warm-up will take 2 hours to complete. You will start getting your alarms and alerts again after the warm-up is complete. And that's how you replace your transmitter. Of course, if you have any questions, call Dexcom Technical Support or Dexcom Care.